Good day everyone. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to disable Windows Defender in Windows safely in 2025 method. I'll guide you the best way to disable it safely without messing up your system or triggering up permanent security issues. So no registry nightmares, no complicated hacks, just the proper way that still lets you stay in control. So I'll do a right click in the start icon. I'll go to settings, and here the bottom right corner, bottom left corner, the second last option is privacy and security. We will click on that. And the very first option is Windows security, antivirus, browser, and firewall. So we will click on that. And here you will find Windows security, and we need to click on open Windows security. So currently it was turned off. I'll just click on turn on like this. So it should look like this. I'll open it again. So you will have a green check mark which means it is turned on right now. So I'll do a single click on that, and you will find protection of your device against threats, current threats, no current threats, and you have a quick scan option. All right, just below that we have this virus and threat protection settings, and currently no action needed as it is already turned on. So we need to click on manage settings, and here it says real-time protection, locate and stops malware from installing or running on your device. You can turn off this setting for a short time before it turns back on automatically. So we will click on off, and the moment you do it, it will ask you to say yes, and once you click on that, it will be turned off. All right, and now you want to reactivate it. It is the same process. You need to come back here, open Windows security, and you just need to click on restart now, and it will be turned on. You can also open it from here and turn on. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial, and have a wonderful day. Take care.